Hello guys, welcome back to Its World. Today I'm going to deliver a speech on Independence Day.
Principal, teacher, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I would like to speak few words from the bottom of my heart on this auspicious occasion. Friends, we are celebrating 75th Independence Day. It is one of the most important day for all Indians. On this day, India celebrates 15th August every year as its Independence Day. It is the day when India got freedom from British rule. Thousands of brave hearts sacrificed their lives for our freedom of India. We must remember our great freedom fighters on this day. It is celebrated to commemorate our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and many others. Due to the sacrifices of this hero, we are living happily in today's society. We are fortunate that we are born in an independent country. Our brave soldiers are fighting in borders to protect our country and to preserve our freedom. There is a big celebration every year in New Delhi at Rajpath, where the national anthem is sung after the Prime Minister hoists the flag. In addition, Army performs many tasks that include a march past, culture programs by school students. People all over the country held celebrations in their schools, colleges, offices and residential areas. It is one of the most important day in our lives for all Indians. The colors in our flag represent different things. Saffron signifies courage and sacrifice. White signifies peace and truth. Green signifies faith and chivalry. In the center of our flag there is an Ashoka Chakra that contains 24 evenly spikes. It is our responsibility as proud citizens of this country to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. It also motivates us to bond with each other. Irrespective of which religion, caste, community, trade or culture we belong to, India has shown phenomenal growth. Since its independent, India has witnessed growth in various fields including science, technology and agriculture. But there is still a lot to be achieved of our country. Keeping the sacrifices of our ancestors in our mind, we should take an oath to carve a better future for our motherland. Independence Day holds a special place in hearts of all Indians. Once again, happy independence to all. Thank you.
Jai Hind.